Healthy skin is not achieved overnight. It is the result of consistent care, proper cleansing, balanced hydration, protection, and understanding your skin's needs. Acne, blackheads, whiteheads, dullness, oiliness, dryness, and sensitivity are all signs that the skin barrier needs attention, not aggression. This guide will walk you through every step of a proper daily skincare routine, focusing on face cleansing, acne prevention, acne treatment, and long-term skin health. Step 1. Identify your skin type. Before any skincare routine, you must understand your skin type. Common skin types: normal, oily, dry, combination, sensitive, acne-prone. Acne-prone skin can exist with any skin type, including dry or sensitive skin. Step 2. Understand what causes acne. Acne is caused by excess oil, sebum, clogged pores, dead skin cell buildup, bacteria, Cutibacterium acnes, hormonal imbalance, stress, poor skincare habits, harsh products. Acne is not dirt. Overwashing makes it worse. Step 3. Morning cleansing. Gentle start. Purpose: remove oil, sweat, and bacteria that accumulate overnight. How to cleanse properly: wash hands thoroughly, use lukewarm water, apply a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser, massage with fingertips for 30 to 60 seconds, focus on T-zone and acne-prone areas, rinse completely, pat dry with a clean towel, never rub. Avoid hot water scrubbing brushes. Harsh soaps. Step 4. Toner, optional but helpful. Purpose: balance skin pH, remove leftover residue, calm inflammation. Choose toners with niacinamide, green tea, witch hazel, alcohol-free. Centella asiatica, apply with hands or cotton pad gently. Step 5. Acne treatment, targeted. Use only on affected areas. Common acne ingredients: salicylic acid, unclogs pores. Benzoyl peroxide, kills bacteria. Azelaic acid, reduces redness. Tea tree, mild antibacterial. Rule: start low strength, once a day. Step 6. Serum, lightweight nutrition. Serums penetrate deeper than creams. Best morning serums: vitamin C, brightening, antioxidant, niacinamide, oil control, hyaluronic acid, hydration. Apply 2 to 3 drops, press gently. Step 7. Moisturizer. Yes, even for oily skin. Skipping moisturizer increases oil production. Choose gel or lotion for oily or acne skin, cream for dry skin, non-comedogenic formula. Step 8. Sunscreen, most important. Sun exposure worsens acne scars and aging. Use SPF 30 or higher, broad spectrum, UVA plus UVB, gel or fluid texture. Apply generously every morning. Step 9. Daytime habits. Avoid touching your face. Keep your phone screen clean. Blot sweat gently if needed. Do not wipe aggressively. Let your skin breathe. Step 10. Evening routine intro. Nighttime is when your skin repairs itself. This is the most important routine of the day. Step 11. Night cleansing. If you wore sunscreen or makeup, start with a gentle oil or micellar cleanser. Massage slowly, rinse completely. Follow with your regular face wash. Clean pores, clean skin. Step 12. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is not daily. 2 times a week is enough. Use chemical exfoliants, not harsh scrubs. Let the product work. Do not force results. Step 13. Night toner or essence. Apply a calming toner or essence. Look for soothing ingredients like aloe or centella. Press gently into the skin. Relax your face muscles. Step 14. Night acne care. Night is ideal for treatments. Apply acne treatment or retinoids carefully. Start slowly, once or twice a week if you are new. Consistency matters more than strength. Step 15. Night serum. Use repairing serums at night. Hydration supports healing. Apply gently, let your skin rest. Step 16. Night moisturizer. Use a slightly richer moisturizer at night. This seals in hydration and supports the skin barrier. Apply slowly, massage lightly. Step 17. Sleep and recovery. Sleep is skincare. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. Clean pillowcases regularly. Your skin heals while you rest. Step 18. Eye care. The skin around your eyes is delicate. Use a small amount of eye cream. Tap gently with your ring finger. Never rub, never pull. This helps reduce dryness and fine lines. Step 19. Lip care. Healthy lips are part of skincare. Apply a nourishing lip balm at night. Avoid licking your lips. Soft lips reflect overall skin health. Step 20. Nighttime hand hygiene. Always wash your hands before skincare. Dirty hands transfer bacteria. Clean hands protect your skin. Step 21. Weekly face masks. Face masks support deep care. Use masks once or twice a week only. Clay masks help oily and acne-prone skin. Hydrating masks help dry or sensitive skin. Do not overuse. Step 22. Mask application method. Apply evenly. Avoid eyes and lips. Relax while the mask works. Remove gently with lukewarm water. Never scrub after masking. Step 23. Facial steaming, optional. Steam opens pores temporarily. Limit steaming to once a week. 5 minutes is enough. Avoid if you have sensitive skin, rosacea, or active inflammation. Step 24. Extracting blackheads. Do not squeeze blackheads at home. Improper extraction causes scars and infection. Leave extractions to professionals. Step 25. Pimple popping. Never pop pimples. Popping spreads bacteria. It increases redness and scarring. Healing takes longer when pimples are touched. Step 26. Pillowcase hygiene. Change pillowcases every 2 to 3 days. Oil and bacteria collect quickly. Clean fabric supports clear skin. Step 27. Phone screen cleaning. Your phone touches your face daily. Clean your phone screen regularly. This reduces acne around cheeks and jawline. Step 28. Hair and skin connection. Hair oils and products can clog pores. Keep hair clean. Avoid heavy oils near the face. Tie hair back during sleep. Step 29. Shaving and acne care. Use clean razors only. Shave gently in the direction of hair growth. Avoid shaving over active acne. Step 30. Makeup and ASIN. Choose non-comedogenic makeup. Remove all makeup before sleeping. Heavy makeup daily can worsen breakouts. Step 31. Sweat and workout care. After workouts, cleanse your face gently. Sweat left on skin can clog pores. Do not let sweat dry naturally on acne-prone skin. Step 32. Water intake. Hydration supports skin from inside. Drink enough water daily. Dry skin produces more oil when dehydrated. Step 33. Diet and acne awareness. Skin reflects internal health. Eat more vegetables and fruits. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Balance is key. Step 34. Dairy and ASIN. For some people, excess dairy triggers acne. Observe your skin carefully. Everyone's skin responds differently. Step 35. Stress and skin. Stress increases inflammation and oil production. Practice relaxation. Deep breathing helps. Calm mind, calmer skin. Step 36. Sleep and skin healing. Sleep is repair time. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. Poor sleep delays acne healing. Step 37. Seasonal skincare adjustments. Change skincare with seasons. Lighter products in summer, richer products in winter. Listen to your skin. Step 38. Product patch testing. Always patch test new products. Apply behind the ear or jawline. Wait 24 hours. This prevents irritation. Step 39. Over-cleansing warning. Cleansing more than twice daily damages skin. Over-cleansing increases oil and breakouts. Gentle care wins. Step 40. Over-exfoliation warning. Too much exfoliation breaks the skin barrier. Redness, burning, and peeling follow. Respect your skin's limits. Step 41. Using too many actives. More products do not mean better skin. Avoid mixing many strong ingredients. Simple routines heal faster. Step 42. Acne scars and marks. Acne marks fade slowly. Sunscreen is essential for healing. Do not rush the process. Step 43. When to see a dermatologist. See a professional if acne is severe. Cystic acne needs medical care. Early treatment prevents scarring. Step 44. Skincare consistency. Consistency matters more than perfection. Daily habits shape long-term results. Step 45. Realistic expectations. Skin improvement takes 4 to 8 weeks. Do not quit too early. Trust the process. Step 46. Avoid trend overload. Trends change constantly. Stick to what works for your skin. Skin health is personal. Step 47. Skin barrier respect. Your skin barrier protects you. Gentle care strengthens it. Harsh treatment destroys it. Step 48. Listen to your skin. Redness, stinging, burning are warning signs. Pause products if irritation occurs. Healing begins with rest. Step 49. Long-term skincare mindset. Skincare is a lifestyle, not a one-time solution. Patience builds healthy skin. Step 50. Final closing message. Clear skin is not about perfection. It is about balance, care, and patience. Treat your skin kindly. Stay consistent. Let your skin heal naturally. Thank you for watching this video. Stay happy, stay cool, and I'll see you in the next one.